Yeah.
It's kind of a local hangout,
Yeah.
Right there.
Yeah.
All right.
Well, in this episode of Donuts and Diners, Papa Tom's at Cotton's Cafe in Trenton, Tennessee. You can see here you can see them making the food right there. And how about some just good old home cooking? That's what I'm talking about here. Look at that food.
Hey, this here's our waitress, Haley. She's real sweet, real good girl. How long do you work here?
It will be 2 years in September.
Well, how long's the cafe been here?
A long time.
Here are the hours of the cafe. They've been here a long time. They're a local store in this area. These biscuits are as light and tender as a mother's heart.
If you're not a subscriber to our channel, click that subscribe button. Also, click that notification bell, because you never know when we're going to be in your area. You don't want to miss a video. And hit that like button. It really does help the channel. Alright, back to Papa Tom.
Look at this. The food on this plate is absolutely fabulous.
And I guess fabulous knows fabulous when he sees it.
Yeah.
It's kind of a local hangout,
Yeah.
Right there.
Yeah.
And don't you just want to dive into this homemade omelet? Wow. And look at these home fries. Everything cooked right on the grill right here in-house.
All right. Well, I sure appreciate your service today, and thank you for waiting on us.
You're very welcome. I enjoy it.
And folks, let me take this opportunity to remind you, your servers are taking care of you, so take care of them. Leave them a generous tip. And now back to Papa Tom. And we know he likes Cotton's when he says,
The coffee's always on.